Okay, if you've been thinking about starting a planners or a printable business, but you just don't have time to create them yourself, you're going to love this bundle that Ruthie's put together, and I'll show it to you in just a minute. But before I do that, you might want to look into Etsy and say, well, is it worth my time to list planners and printables? It absolutely is. So let's look at this one. If I go in, look at this, shredding for the wedding. Let's look at this one. Well, that's stickers, so we don't want stickers, but let's look at a planner right here. Here's one. 915 sales of this shop. Okay, right here. Meal planner kit, weekly intermittent fasting tracker, daily food log, printable planner. Let's go in and let's look for a really unique niche, and it's knitting planner, which I didn't even know was a thing until today. And if you go in, people are selling knitting journals. Um, I'm looking for a shop with lots of sales. So you can see, look at this one right here. And you may say, okay, well, if everybody downloads the same one, how can we make sales? Well, you're going to use different keywords. You would go in and you would find keywords like knitting crochet planner. And this one is $5.50. So if you made, let's see, 7 times 5. If you made 7 sales, you would pay for this whole bundle that I'm about to show you. Okay, this shop has 24,270 sales. And you can see it's mostly like downloadable stuff, downloadable printables. So in this bundle, let me show you what Ruthie is selling. And if you come to this, I apologize. If you come to this after a week from now, the sale will be over. So you want to be sure and get in. This was just released today. And there's a deluxe bundle, there's a bundle. The basic bundle has everything you need. It's $27. If you want to upgrade to the bundle, the deluxe bundle, is some round table recordings that are really valuable. And Lori's Reimagination Club replay. Super duper. This is what's in the bundle. It's 27. Use it. I mean, just download it, use it as is, because it comes with a commercial use license. The first one is a weight loss and workout planner template. There's a Trello board. Keep track of your affiliate marketing income and business ladder. And I'm going to buy this bundle today through another affiliates link. And I am an affiliate for this product, which means I will receive a commission if you buy through my link. And I thank you for that. Valentine's planners and journals and coloring pages, Valentine planner kit. And since it's January, Valentine's is coming up and people will be buying Valentine planners. This is a personal daily planner mega pack. This is super cute. I'm going to blow this up here. The Girl Boss Hustle Planner. Cute Valentine do-it-yourself coloring pages for children. And so you can add these, you can download these after you buy the bundle and use these as bonuses. You can use them as lead magnets to build your subscriber list, or you can just sell them as is. Black and white scrapbook digitals, mixed puzzle bundle. This is really cute. So farm full coloring pages, inspirational niche printables. This one's super cool. I'm really looking forward to getting into this. It says using Canva, which I use every day. It's a short course to show us from May Taylor how to easily create a simple planner using Canva. And it usually sells separately for at least $27, but it is included in the bundle. Valentine frames bundle, instant low content journal, Busy Bee. That is so cute too. I'm gonna blow that up so you can see it. Done for You journal, 30 days to a happiness habit. And Be Positive, this is from Becky Beach, PLR Beach. Be Positive planner, super cute with the bee theme. Birthday bash bundle. I love my cat. I mean, how many people can you think of who have a cat who would love I love my cat journal? That's included. This is super cute too. Movie quote, Undated Weekly Planner by Lori Winslow. I think that's going to be a big hit. Commercial use allowed. Boho printable calendar. That is so cute with the boho theme. And then mix and match graphics. It's fun. Butterfly Dreams. And drag and drop planner generator designs planner books and pages. in just 5 minutes. I'm really interested in seeing what that one does. Organized finance tracker. Knitting project. This is the one I showed you in Etsy. A similar one is selling. And that's so cute. Look at that. Love it. This is a Mel's all new lead magnet to build your list with. You can give away these 6 specialized niche planners, 3 printables and 3 digitals never released before. Adult geometric coloring book. Mix and match affinity planner builder. Let's see what it says. These are create multiple weekly planner interiors and printables. With this set of planner elements, templates, and backgrounds, you can repurpose it. Super cool. Marketing puzzles. Unicorn Student Xenia Planner PLR. Just goes on and on and on. This one is a hot seller. This niche on Pinterest, I just found out last night by going into Pinterest ad platform self-care planners. So you'll want that one. Digital planner cover kit. And that's $27. It's over $900 and it's only $27 for the whole bundle. But again, it's only for 6 days. So if you see this after this, I'm sorry, it's not my launch, so I can't do anything about it. But if you go underneath this video, it will link you to a page that looks like this. This is my my blog post where I'm talking about the bundles. You just go to this page, click on this link. It'll take you to this form. Just put in your email and it will take you to the bundle page to buy the bundle. Okay. This is Christy. I really appreciate your time today. I think this is a very, very valuable sale. And I want you to be able to get these and download them. My daughter and daughter-in-law and I are all doing it today. We're all going to buy this and download these printables and planners. All right, I'll talk to you soon. This is Christy. If you have any questions, just email me below this video is my email. Talk to you soon. Bye now.